welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally back to doing tutorials. That's right, no more vacation. Vacation's over. Today's tutorial is going to be about different hairstyles you can do on a super hot day, for either a nice day out, a cute date, or for work. That's right. But let's stop the chit chat and let's get right into this video. Thanks guys.
Here are a couple of things I love to use when I'm doing my hair. This includes a cup of water just because I like to mix it up with my gel. It tends to hold my hair more. A couple of bobby pins, a hair clip, my two favorite brushes, which is a paddle brush and a teasing brush, and last but not least, a couple of small clear elastics. So for the first look, we're going to do a nice high ponytail. Fairly easy, but very effective for the summertime. The first thing we do is just brush our hair thoroughly, then grab every single inch of hair and brush it all the way back. Then I like to grab two scrunchies to hold all my hair just because it's a bit on the thicker and heavier side, so it's easier to hold. Now we're just going to combine the gel and the water just so that all our flyaway baby hairs can just stay in place. Next, we're just going to take one strand of hair and spin it around our scrunchie just so it just makes our ponytail look more chic and you don't have to show that ugly scrunchie. Now you can use either one or two bobby pins, that's completely up to you, to hold that little strand of hair in place. This next hairstyle, we're gonna literally have half our hair up, but instead of making it into a ponytail, we're making it into a bun. We'll just section off our hair from top to bottom, half and half, and then start grabbing the hair as if you're going to make a ponytail. Just grab all the top hairs. Next, grab your two scrunchies and make two loops where your hair is going to go through completely, and on your third loop, just hold it off halfway into a bun. For this next hair look, we're going to do a French braid. This type of braid is super cute, great for the summer, but a little bit more complicated to do. For this first step, we're going to have to grab a section of hair on top of our head and then section that piece of hair off into 3 pieces. From left to right, we're going to take the first section and put it over the second section, and then grab that same first section and put it under the third section. Yeah, a little complicated, I know. But that's why I use literally my mouth to help me grab and hold those sections. And slowly going down your head, just grab another section of hair, add that to your first section, and then grab the first section, put it over the second section, then grab hair for the third section and make the first section go under the third section. To make these steps a little bit simpler and not to get confused with the sections of hair, I like to just, in my head, tell myself I have to grab hair, go over, under, grab hair. Grab hair, go over, under, grab hair. Another thing that helps me is just holding my hair with my mouth. Keeping your arms up for that long definitely hurts. So just kind of putting the first sections of hair in your mouth just to hold those pieces makes life so much easier for me. And with a nice clear elastic, I like to hold the whole braid nice and tight. Next, we're going to do what I call a twisty French braid. This is just more of a hack and easier way to do a French braid. We start off the same way, just brushing our hair thoroughly and then sectioning off the top hair. Now with one of our clear elastics, we're going to hold that hair as if it was a ponytail. Now here's where the trick comes in. Just make a hole right in the middle of your hair, just above the scrunchie, and grab your hair, your ponytail looking hair, and put it right in the hole, just twisting it. Now all you do is repeat the same steps. Grab a section of hair midway, along with the ponytail you just twisted, and secure it with the clear elastic. Make a hole in between the first and second elastic and grab your ponytail and twist it right into the hole. Now this makes it so much easier to just start braiding. Again, take the first section, put it over the second section and under the third section, and braid all the way down to the end. To make the braid a little bit more bubbly, just grab each section of the braid and just gently pull it out. Next we're going to do Dutch braid pigtails. To start off, we're going to brush our hair thoroughly and then part our hair right through the center. Now we're either going to take the left or the right section and we're going to clip it up. Now we're going to take a really small section up on the front of our hair and split that up into 3 separate sections of hair. Unlike the Dutch braid, instead of going over the second strip of hair and then under the third strip of hair, for this type of braid we actually take the first section of hair and put it under the second section and then over the third. No joke, holding the first strand of hair with your mouth helps so much in keeping the hair organized, not getting confused, and holding the braid nice and tight. hair look, we're gonna do a fishtail braid. This braid has got to be one of my top favorite braids just because it is super easy to do and you can do it anywhere, any place, anytime, especially if you are running off to work or a last minute outing. All you do is grab all your hair, section it off into 2 pieces, and then make a hole in your hair with your thumb. Grab that section and put it onto the second section of hair. Do the same thing with the second section. Put a hole in your hair, grab the little piece and put it back into the first section, and just repeat over and over. Now we're gonna go on to what I like to call a twist bun. This is almost like a regular bun, but super simpler. You just grab all your hair as if you were gonna do a ponytail. Now just grab all that hair and start twisting it all the way up to the end. Roll it around your head into a ball. And just grab your hair elastic and tie it down.